Right, here we have a box of Basketball Hall of Fame 2010. This is one pack. So let's see if we get anything out of it. So they come in a clear box, in a clear pack. So the top card is Isaiah Thomas. Card number 2, Jerry Sloan. They have a high praise Bill Walton, which is one of their base cards. We have a Magic Johnson Dream Team. Our autograph is of Bailey Howell, played for the Boston Celtics. We have a second auto of Harry Flournoy. I have no idea who this is. And our famed fabric card, Scottie Pippen, when he played for the Blazers. And then we just have some more base, it looks like. Oscar Robertson, Denny Crum, Marcus Haynes, and Hal Greer. So 2 autos and a jersey card. So there you go.